Welcome to Tait Communications. Here's a quick look inside our factory. We'll watch a handheld radio and a base station get built as they go from the factory in New Zealand to a customer who could be anywhere in the world. We start in our surface mount technology area by printing solder paste through a stencil onto a printed circuit board. We take surface mount parts and place them on the board. This is the main board of our handheld radio. A special oven is used to solder the parts. Then we do programming, testing and inspection. We have several surface mount assembly lines. While one line is building handheld radios, another is building base stations. Large base station parts are soldered using a selective solder machine. The product moves on to final assembly. Then packaging. For many customers, we combine our base stations with other equipment to do large-scale system integration. Meanwhile, our handheld radio is getting its front panel robotically assembled. Before making its way down the final production line, where a team of highly skilled operators bring all the parts together. Our radio is tested again. Quality is built into all that we do, but we check everything anyway. Finally, the radio is boxed and labelled. The handheld radio, the base station, and many other products all come together in finished goods. They are packed for shipment and go from our factory in New Zealand to our customers anywhere in the world.